Oh, I'm here with a bunch of my friends. It's my 11th pilgrimage, and I'm here to pray for the needs of my family and friends, but we have whole bus. We have 50 over people, and we've been doing this 10 years already, and we came from Chicago, a huge Polish community. We have buses from 2 other parishes, so 3 huge groups of Polish people are here, and we just had many answered prayers, and we're just sharing the love of Mary, and it's just so beautiful here, the grounds and the atmosphere, the young people, the families, and to walk and to be in a blessed place, holy grounds. It's so very special. Polish people really love Our Lady of Częstochowa. In Poland, we have pilgrimage there. So this is our part, loving our mother and walking to her heart. And so I'm very thankful to be here, and I already received many graces from Mary, and I just say, just love Mary and ask her, and she will answer your prayers.